Today, we're going to talk about how to operate the electronic warfare system to avoid radar-guided missile. Be prepared and press spacebar to continue. The electronic warfare system consists of two key equipments, the radar warning receiver, or the RWR, and the decoy dispenser. First, let me introduce the radar warning receiver. The highlighted buttons under central screen's bottom are RWR related buttons. Make sure they are all turned on. If not, click the rightmost power switch to turn them on, then press spacebar to continue. After the power is on, enter and observe the radar warnings page. The round panel on your cockpit's lower right corner is the RWR display. Also, any of your screens can enter the EW page, which is equivalent to a better RWR display with higher definition and more details. Take the right display as an example. Repeatedly click the highlighted main menu button in the middle of the screen's bottom and enter the tag page. Then press spacebar to continue. In the tag page, click the highlighted EW button on the right to enter the EW interface. The EW interface consists of multiple circles. It centers on your fighter and shows all the radar signals that the radar warning receiver has detected. Click the highlighted button on the right and select the HUD to project all the information into a HUD for your convenience. Press spacebar to continue. I have activated some radar devices. You can hear a prompt in your headphone. It indicates that the RWR has detected a new radar signal and warns you to be vigilant. Press spacebar to continue. Let me introduce these signs. We categorize the radar signals into three kinds: airborne radar, ground radar, and ship radar. The T2 sign at roughly 8 o'clock is a warship's radar signal. You can see a ship below this T2 sign, which represents a ship. Press spacebar to continue. The S sign at 12 o'clock, or say, right front, is a ground radar signal. It is a search radar, and its signs are framed by house marks. Press spacebar to continue. The right signal 15 at 3 o'clock is F-15 Eagle fighter's radar signal. All airborne radars have an upward-facing arrow mark above. Different radars show different marks. For full information, you need to check the complete threat warning table on the handbook. Press spacebar to continue. The radar warning receiver determines the threat level according to the warning's type. The three concentric circles in the EW page represents the threat levels. If the warning is at the outer circle, then its threat level is low. Otherwise, its threat level is high. Now, the three radar warnings are all at the outmost circle, so you're facing no threat. Press spacebar to continue. Do you hear something? The alternating sound warnings indicate a radar is illuminating it and locks you as a target. Though false warnings might occur in real combat, right now the warning is a real threat to you. Check your EW page or RWR display, and you can see a signal 2 approaches to the inner circle. This is the fire control radar of an SA-2 surface-to-air missile, which has locked its target and has been ready to fire. Missile in the air. You must have noticed that the warning has turned from alternating to continuous, and and you can find the Mark II for the SA-2 missile is closer to the center in the EW page, and a long solid line points to the missile, implying the missile has been fired and is being guided. Press spacebar to enter the next section. Next, you will learn how to operate the decoy dispenser. First, turn on the decoy dispenser's power. Click the highlighted switch to turn the decoy dispenser from dispenser mode to the uppermost bypass mode. When you use the decoy dispenser system, turn on the master switch to arm. Confirm the weapon selection switch is on the arm position, and then press spacebar to continue. Drop chaff to form a false reflective signal in radar, so as to deceive the missile to track the fake target. You may pull forward the dispense switch on the throttle to drop a set of chaff. This is an effective countermeasure for radar-guided weapons. Normally, your fighter will carry 60 chaffs and 60 infrared flares, and each time, 2 sets will be dropped. Now, don't drop the chaff yet, but press spacebar to continue the lesson. Given that the radar can distinguish between real and fake targets by radio velocity difference, the fighter usually has to make a sharp turn to the right or left when under attack, in order to have the attack to right 3 o'clock or left 9 o'clock positions. Meanwhile, you also have to lower the fighter's height and drop chaff. Only this way will the radar be deceived to track the wrong target, and we call this action as 3-9 notch turn. Press spacebar to continue. Now you have control. Navigate towards waypoint 1 and pay attention to the RWR or EW warnings. Sand launch, braking left or right to place the missile signal on the right or left side. Lower your altitude and drop the channel. Now! When the radar warning disappears, it means that the enemy's missile, you have been hit. That's okay. This is practice. Ouch! You have been hit again. Keep in mind that to place the threat warnings directly to the left or right side of your arm. Then you can find 2 thick level lines at both sides of the EW page. And next, place the threat warnings into between the lines. Oh, again, you're hit. You must bear in mind that the more practice the direction you place the target in your left or right, the higher the chance of your deception. You have control. Try flight toward waypoint 1 to approach the air defense to practice dodging.